What it do? We're back. Another video for you guys, man. We're back. Whew. Dude, I got a good video for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoy. I am going to be comparing these new Travis Scotts that just recently released, the 6s, to all these other Travis Scotts. Currently, I do have all the Jordan collab. I don't have the 33s or whatever it was, or 32s. I don't remember exactly what number of the Jordan silhouette that it was that released a couple years ago alongside with these things right here. But we are going to be comparing these new 6s to last drop. And then we'll be comparing them kind of to all, we're going to be looking at all of them together and kind of see which one is the best one and see if these live up to it. I did purchase them off the COLLAB, and it looks like these things got beat up a little bit on the way over here. Somebody busted a little Ace Ventura or something. Look, man, if you guys are new to the channel, you know, hit that subscribe button. If you guys want to go the extra mile, if you guys want to, hit the like button. It helps out. It really does help out a lot. Salute to everybody, man. I want to say thank you guys. Thank you for all the support. But we're back, man. We're back, and we're gonna open this thing up. Also, if you are a hater of the channel, I know we only, and there's only like maybe like 2. Make sure you hit the dislike button, bro, because I know it helps you out. It makes you feel better about yourself, and that's what I'm here for, to help out. So the lousy 2 weirdos that hit the dislike button all the time, because I know it's always only like 2 people. Everybody else is really cool, man. Everybody that runs across this channel is really cool. But the 2 weirdos, get it out of your system, bro. I don't know why you hate. Let's get into this sneaker. I'm excited to see what these things look like. I don't want to take up too much of your guys' time, but we are going to kind of, you know, compare all of them together. Let's open this box up real quick, man. It's been a while since I opened something nice like this. Whew. So we got the shoes here in hand. Dude, I already smell like a weird smell from this box, but I'm guessing they're gonna have like a weird distinct smell. I've seen reviews on these, and I've seen people talk about how they have like a weird smell to them. And these things right here still smell like the first day I got them. They have like a distinct smell to them as well, man. But I'm gonna move these aside. And well, you guys see I got them from via the COLLAB. Picked these up from the COLLAB. Right away, I'm seeing this presentation is nice. You know, it's like the last release. It's, you know, the same kind of box, only it's matching the colorway of the sneaker. And here, of course, the olive Travis Scott from the last release. You know, the box is the same color as this one. So, you know, a nice presentation. I know there's something in here that is pretty exciting to, I guess, to look forward to when you're spending $250 retail, that is, because that is what these retail for. 250 buckaroos, man. 250 bucks, and I'm guessing after tax it was, how much was it? 250 after tax. You probably spent like 270. It's crazy to me that these things are only going for like 400 range. You know, there's some sizes in the 400 range, there's some sizes in the 500 range. So that's one of the reasons why I even picked these things up, because they weren't going crazy. Like, if they were going for like over that, I would have not picked them up. It's just not, I'm not gonna feed the hands of the reseller or the resale market anymore. I will buy from people that I do show respect to. I know I got a few guys that resell and they're grinding, and I salute to them, man, you know, but like, I'm not gonna be buying like $1,000 shoes anymore. That's just not my thing this year. With that being said, let's move on to the review. So let's open these up. Oh man, I am so happy that, yo, my worst nightmare was that I was not gonna get the dust bag. So right away, these come with this dust bag, and I mean, it's pretty cool. It's not like I ever use the dust bags, but it's just nice to have the dust bag with the shoes, especially for that hefty price of $250 retail. It's nice that they finally threw something in here, and it was a dust bag. So cool to see the dust bag. We do got the dust bag. The seller didn't have to put the dust bag in there. You guys already know that they don't have to sell the shoes with the accessories, which sucks, you know. So if they do that, that's kind of messed up. But anyway, man, let's get into the shoe. Let's see what these look like. If you guys are looking into buying these, I'm gonna do you the solid of, you know, letting you see what they look like and kind of make up your mind if you want these or not. But ooh, okay, we got 2 layers of paper. Let's see, do they live up to the hype, bro? Damn, bruh. Oh my god, yo. These things are looking like me right now. They're hairy. They're all hairy, bruh. Oh, snap. Yo. Here we have them. Here they are. The Travis Scott khakis, man. The 6. Travis Scott 6 khaki. Dude, here they are with the zipper on the side. I kind of like just one pouch. I don't really like the extra pouch on the other side. It's really like a utility sneaker, and you can just feel how heavy these things are. These things are they're very heavy, way heavier than these things right here. You can feel the difference, man. And they got a little smell to them. Man, it's like a glue smell or something, man. Pretty strong smell. And here are the lace bags. This one came with two pairs of shoestrings. Let's take them out. Anything else in here? Nothing else. I will be running these through the Check app as well, guys, because I have to at least legit check these. But yeah, there is the YDM sticker, and then you do have your QC sticker on this side as well. So very nice, man. Very nice presentation. Let's get rid of the box and let's get into the shoes. And let me just scope them out real quick with you guys and see what I think. So you do have like a little bit more of a design on the bottom of these. Looks like these things might have came from a shop or something, because they got like a sticker right there that says 46 on it. But yeah, you guys got this Travis Scott right here, and then you got the little cactus jack guy right here. So they do have this. On the other 6s, you did not have any of that. It was just plain Jane, the outsole anyway. So yeah, you do have the Travis Scott on the outsole, and you got this cactus jack. And it says Cactus Jack right here as well. It has that branding on it. But the low infrared jump, man. The shoe looks just like it looks on pictures. Like, it is very hairy. Super hairy, dude. Like, it's like a couch. You know, like a couch that has that weird thick suede. That's what this is. It's a very hairy sneaker. Honestly, I think this shoe was probably meant to be dropped last year, but due to everything that happened last year, I think these got pushed up, because I did see early images earlier last year before everything went crazy and everything happened, and I think these were supposed to be like a fall sneaker. This is not a sneaker that you want to release during the spring or during the summer, because this isn't really a summer or spring colorway, and that might be why the resale isn't up there on these, which I'm super happy that it's not. So right now, looking at these, oh man, dude, I'm going with the olive green pair, man. This freaking pair is amazing. It's beautiful, dude. When you wear this pair, oh man, when it was sitting for like 500 bucks, hopefully all you guys that wanted these pick these things up, because these things they're just so nice on feet, guys. This shoe is so nice on feet. Is it worth the money right now? Yeah, I think this shoe is definitely worth the market. Like, I never really usually say this, but I rarely say this, but I would say that this shoe is worth the market price right now. I really would say it's worth the market price, between 4 to 5. And I'm happy that sneakers are losing a little bit of hype. I've been seeing Jordan 1s die down. I've been seeing certain sneakers that are really hyped going for low prices. So I'm starting to love that. But yeah, out of all of these here, guys, I'm gonna rank these shoes, and let me do it this way. So first place for me, in my opinion, oh, this one's hard. It would be a match between the lows and the 4s, all right? The Air Jordan 1 low and the 4. But I'm gonna have to give it to the 4, man. Super cool colorway, the red and, you know, this Houston Oiler blue, I guess you could say, or UNC blue, or whatever the correct powder blue. I don't know what freaking blue this is, but yeah, dude, these things on feet. So yeah, I got these for, I'd say, 300 bucks, and you know, I've worn them quite a bit, and dude, I never would have thought that these things would have hit the price that they're going for now. I actually had an extra pair, but I got rid of it. Jordan 4, first place. Second place, Air Jordan 1 low, Travis Scott. Third place, dude, I have to do it, man. I'm gonna go with the 6s, man, the first pair of 6s that released. And then fourth place is gonna be the highs, man. And I think fourth place is because I haven't really wore these yet, so I haven't broke them out. They're still dead stock. I'm waiting on a perfect day to break these things out. but this is gonna be a fourth place, and then fifth. I'm gonna put these suckers in fifth place, and that's kind of messed up because I haven't put my foot in these yet, and I haven't really laced them up. But to me, it's got a lot of like utility stuff on here. You got these extra like eyelets right here, and that to me is kind of different. Like, I don't know what purpose it serves, but yeah, super cool shoe, guys. This comes in last place. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys picked yours up for retail. Let me know what your favorite out of the 5 is, and just, you know, leave me comments down below. And yeah, man, I appreciate you guys so much watching. I appreciate you guys showing support. Just a quick little video, or maybe not a quick video, but at least it's some kind of content for you guys. I wanted to share these with you guys. But yeah, man, you guys stay tuned. Your boy Jay. Take it easy, man. Stay healthy, stay safe, and I'll catch you on the next one, man. Ladies.